Wanna know how to check for app updates in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. And once you've done that, make sure you open up your project as well. Just select what projects and then open up your current project right here. And now once you've done it here, you should be seeing your project opening up. Now, if you want to see any JDK or app update itself, just simply head towards help right here on top. So once you select help here, you should be seeing updates. So you just simply select check for updates. And now here you should be able to see plugin installer and checking for updates as well. So it's just simply going to check if there are any new updates to your system. And it's gonna take for a while and it will say if there are any updates available. And there you go. If any plugins or IDE is on update, it should show it. For me right now, there's no update, so that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply select finish and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.